I was delighted to win the Young Volunteer of the Year award at the GAVO event, and I've been a cadet for about 3 years now. The cadet scheme has helped me a lot because of it's helped me gain confidence. I do hope to become a police officer in the future. The cadet scheme has definitely helped that, because I've gained a lot of contacts, and working alongside police officers, police staff and other members of the public has really helped with that.
Jake's been with Gwent Police Cadets since he was 14, starting off as a cadet. This award has shown his character's grown in strength. He's developed not only personally but educationally. This award is great for Jake's confidence in developing as a leader with Gwent Police Cadets. He has gained great respect from partner agencies through his volunteering within the community and his volunteering with other organisations. It allows Jake to develop personally and professionally. It's a great recognition for Jake moving forward.
My co-leader is Jake, an amazing young chap, and I have to say without Jake I wouldn't have settled in so quickly with this group. He is a really calming influence and he knows his stuff. If I've got any questions whatsoever, I know I can go to Jake and he's going to help me out, which makes my job a whole lot easier.
The young people who join the cadets want to do something constructive for their communities. Jake is a shining example of this. His commitment and enthusiasm are evident to anyone who meets him. The cadet service has had a really positive impact on him, giving him greater confidence and an increased skill set. Jake sets a wonderful example to the younger cadets with his attitude, discipline and leadership, while also supporting those around him.